Here at Therma, we understand that the comfort of your home is your top priority, and that's why we make it ours as well. With our highly trained and certified team of specialists, we proudly guarantee professional and clean workmanship. And our technicians will treat your home as their own. Your call will be answered live 24 hours a day, 7 days a week by a Therma client care specialist. Our technicians will provide you with exact prices, no additional charges or hidden fees. We guarantee accurate diagnostics and repairs. Otherwise, it's free. During the first 12 months, if you're not fully satisfied with the performance of the equipment, services provided by our technicians, or for any other reason, we will return 100% of your investment.